Hi everyone, welcome to the first in a series of short science experiments which are designed to work in conjunction with your homeschool work packs. We're starting with an Easter theme, and it's going to use a bit of chemistry, a bit of physics and a bit of biology. Really simple resources for this one, just some jugs, some water, some glasses, you can use plastic clear ones, anything will work, some salt and an egg. If for any reason you can't use eggs, then a grape will work for this one. Two safety precautions today. Number one is wash your hands, particularly after you've handled the raw egg. And number two, eggs don't really do well after they've been washed. It doesn't help keep them fresh, so use the egg up to date. Don't store it, don't put it back in the box. Part one, fill your glass with cold water. And now make a prediction. If I put the egg into the water, will it float or will it sink? Your egg should sink. However, if it doesn't, it might be that it's just a little bit older and it's got a bit of an air gap in it. It doesn't mean that the egg's bad, but it does mean that it won't work in this experiment. Try a fresher one. And as you can see, it works exactly the same way with the grape. Next, you're going to need the salt and that teaspoon that I forgot to mention at the beginning of the experiment. And you're going to add 4 teaspoons of salt to your water. And stir until it has dissolved. It might take quite a while to dissolve, but once it has, you should have clear water again. What you do then is add the egg. What do we predict will happen? Now the egg floats. I'm not going to explain why this happens. What I want you to do is think about the science that we've done over the last year. Things like our experiments with oil and water, things like our experiments with sugar and solutions. See if you can work out just what's going on. Let's take this a step further. What happens if we mix the salt and the fresh water? What do you expect to see? We're going to start by adding our salt water, and we would expect the egg to float again. That's a relief. Now, what do you expect to happen if I start adding fresh water? Something has changed and now the egg is magically floating mid-water. If I pop the egg down, it comes back up, but not to the top, and it will hover in the middle. To finish this one off, what will happen if I pour in the rest of the fresh water? Thought about it? Here we go. Still hasn't sunk to the bottom, but it's gone lower. So what I want you to think about is what was going on there. Can you explain what we have just observed? And our final idea for today, what on earth does this experiment have to do with sinking ships? It's a strange one. See you all soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.